Hi everyone, have you ever wondered what you need to start making your own clothes? In this video, I have the answers for you. In this video, I'm going to show you all the equipment that you're going to need to start making your own sewing journey, the essential tools and their uses. So if you want to know what they are, then please keep watching. Marking tools are vital for garment making. Firstly, we're going to look at the most important ones. Fabric chalk or tailor's chalk is mostly used by tailoring professionals and used to create sharp lines with precision. They come in a wide range of colours to match or differentiate from the fabric that you're working on. They come in a triangle, roller or rectangle shapes for easy use. Disappearing sewing pens are designed specifically for sewing and craft projects. There are two different types of sewing pens. There are the water soluble and the heat. Personally, I like to use the heat ones as I don't always want to get my fabric wet. You simply draw any important markings directly onto the fabric, then use water to wet it, or for the heat pens, use an iron on a low heat to remove the markings. Sewing pins have multiple uses, such as pinning multiple pieces of fabric together, marking temporary locations, pinning pattern pieces to fabric for accurate cutting and fitting, and for adjustments, just to name a few. The most popular ones come in three different sizes: large plastic headed pins, glass headed pins, and silver sequin pins or lil pins. The benefit of using large headed plastic pins is that they're easy to handle. The large size makes them visible and quicker to pick up. They are suitable for thick fabric and quilting projects, basically any project that needs multiple pieces or thicker fabric pinned. Glass-headed pins, however, are much smaller in size, therefore can be used for delicate fabrics and create smaller holes. The benefit of using glass is that it's heat resistant and ideal for fine work such as attaching sequins or beading. However, they can only hold very few pieces of fabric and not to be used for bulk. Sequin pins are similar to glass-headed pins and they are used for securing small details like sequins or rhinestones. They are perfect for fabric like lace, tulle or appliques. Machine needles. Jean or denim needles are designed to handle fabrics such as denim, upholstery and canvas or any other heavyweight material. They have very sharp point and a large needle hole and strong shaft that will prevent it from breaking during stitching. Sizes usually come in 90/40, 100/16 or 110/18. Due to the sharp point, it pierces the fabric cleanly without any pulls or snags to the fabric. Ballpoint or stretch needles have a rounded tip and is specifically designed to work on knit and stretch fabrics. The rounded tip glides between the knit of the fabric. Typically the sizes range from 70/10 for lightweight fabrics, 80/12 for medium, and 90/14 for heavyweight. Perfect for materials such as jersey, spandex and lycra, and used on projects like activewear and lingerie. Using this needle will help prevent skip stitches and is designed to help with the movement and stretch of fabrics. Standard machine needles are versatile and can be used in a wide range of projects. They come in various sizes to suit different types of sewing projects and can be used on light to medium weight fabrics. This is ideal for general sewing purposes, repairing clothes, creating basic seams and sometimes attaching embellishments. The versatility, affordability and ease of use of the standard machine needles is vital for any sewing kit. Cutting tools are central for completing any sewing project, the right tools to ensure precision and prevent any fabric waste. Here are three of the most important tools to start with. Sewing shears, especially designed fabric scissors, only used to cut fabric. Unlike regular scissors, they have a long sharp blade and angled handle, making them ideal for tailoring, crafting and dressmaking. A rotary blade is a cutting tool used in sewing and quilting with a circular blade that allows for smooth and precise cuts, especially for multiple layers of fabric. This is often used for speed and accuracy. The circular blade spins as it rolls across the fabric, providing with a sharp and continuous cut. The comfortable handle is designed to reduce hand fatigue during long cutting sessions. The blade has a safety mechanism which is retractable to prevent accidents, and when the blade is dull, is able to be changed out for a new one. This is often used on specialty fabrics such as velvet, sequins and tulle. You'll also need a cutting mat that will help to protect the blade as well as your surface. The blade will need to be changed often and has to be held in a certain way to avoid accidents. Sewing snips is basically small scissors that are used for trimming thread, snipping fabric and detailed cutting tasks. Their small size allows for easy use to cut fabric and small embellishment details. The blades are designed to be sharp to prevent any fraying when cutting at small details. A seam ripper is a small specialised tool designed for unpicking stitches, removing seams and correcting mistakes. This is something that you'll use very often. It has a small sharp curved blade that cuts the thread without damaging the fabric, and a pointed end that allows the tool to slide underneath the stitches to prevent the fabric damage. As this tool cannot be sharpened, it would need to be replaced when it no longer cuts accurately. Measuring tape is a flexible ruler used in sewing and various other crafts to measure fabric, body proportions and materials. Typically made from plastic or fiberglass, this allows it to stretch slightly without distorting the measurements. Most measure around 150 centimeters or 60 inches long, depending on its intended use. Here I have two, one with centimeters on both sides and the other one has centimeters on one side and inches on the other side. Typically, you measure the length and width of the fabric before cutting, help with seam allowance accuracy, and in terms of garment making, used to measure body proportions. This will also be used to help measure patterns. The flexibility allows it to contort and wrap around the body and measure the edge of the fabric. To ensure the life of your tape measures, avoid stretching it as this will give inaccurate readings over time, and double check the accuracy as they do tend to distort on their own. Sewing thread is used to stitch fabric together, typically made from materials such as cotton, silk and polyester. They are designed to pass through the layers of fabric to bind them together. Here are the two most popular ones. Cotton thread is a natural fibre which has a smooth texture, matte finish and works with the various types of fabrics. It is soft, breathable and biodegradable, making it an eco-friendly option for sewing projects. It is available in different weights ranging from fine to delicate fabrics and heavier ones for quilting and embroidery. It is strong but not as durable as polyester thread. It can break on tension, especially when sewing through multiple layers of fabric or thicker fabric. It is however great for hand sewing projects, quilting and embroidery and buttonholes. Polyester thread is one of the more commonly used threads in sewing. Made from synthetic polyester fibre, it is durable, versatile and works well with a wide range of fabric and sewing projects. Polyester is a great fibre to use as it is strong, resilient, resistant to shrinking, stretching and fading. Also a good balance of flexibility and toughness. It is great for sewing, quilting and embroidery projects and runs smoothly through the sewing machine. Produces stitches without tangling, which is great for beginners and professionals. Hi everyone, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you like what you've seen here, please subscribe, like, comment. 2025 is going to be a huge year for me and I will be putting on videos every single weekend. So if you want to see the future videos, please let me know. Next week's video, we're going to look at clothing patterns, what they are, where to buy them and how to measure yourself to ensure a good fit. So if you want to see that, again, please like, subscribe. And yeah, please let me know. I hope I made your day so much better and I'll see you soon. Bye.